RingCentral is the largest provider of UCaaS service for business in the world. We use StreamSets for 3 major data pipelines that we support. The first pipeline is our quality of service, which addresses the quality of the phone calls across our network. The second application that we support is product usage, which is really about how our customers are using our product in real time. And the third application that we support is fraud. We monitor real-time activity on our network that could be fraudulent, and then we flag those calls as they occur, and then we follow up on those in real time. If we did not have our fraud pipeline set up the way they are set up today, we would not know about fraudulent activities until weeks after the occurrence when we receive the bill. StreamSets allows us to catch these fraudulent activities in real time. That if we didn't catch these fraudulent activities in real time, it would result in major expenses to RingCentral. We have probably 100 pipelines that we're running at least, if not more, at RingCentral. Everything from real-time call detail records to our API logs, how customers are using our applications, to our Salesforce, to our NetSuite, and then our production system, which has a substantial amount of data that comes off of it. StreamSets' success at RingCentral is not only just with my team where we deployed these pipelines, but other teams because they can ingest and analyze their data in real time. So we have our telco operations team uses StreamSets, our engineering team uses StreamSets, and they're all using StreamSets in order to monitor in real time and create calculated values that really would not be possible without the streaming technology. Data operations is critical to having a successful data implementation. And the reason is that it's critical that we follow idle processes in order to have a reliable data pipeline. Our data operations team does the deployment as well as sets up monitoring, and then they are responsible for the day-to-day operations of those data pipelines. Their focus is not development, but literally operations. Data drift at RingCentral is an ongoing issue because of our continuous release cycle. Data drift manifests itself mostly due to changes in upstream systems. This can involve either the removal or the addition of a new field, as well as the modification of existing field's data type. The other way that it can happen is that the data itself can actually change over time. Tools for monitoring our data operations pipelines is critical. Without that monitoring and then the process for escalation to our teams, we would not have a successful data operation. The combination of both tools and process is critical to have a successful data operations. The automation of the tools allows us to do deployment and monitoring in a semi-automated fashion so that we don't have to manually carry out these redundant operations. But the process is critical also, because without following the process, then we could have unreliable applications that get deployed.